Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel where I post videos about mobile earning apps, websites, cryptocurrencies, and many more to help us earn extra income. For all the things I've shared to help us earn extra cash, they should all be done with hard work and dedication, just like doing our daily job. I've always talked about how to generate passive income using our phone because it's what we can't live without nowadays. We can work on our phone whenever and wherever we want to. Now, let's talk about some other ways we can generate income using our smartphones. Buy and sell. If you have some unused items around your house, you can sell them on any online selling platforms using your phone. You can sell almost any goods online. It can be your unused clothes, old gaming consoles, legacy phones, and prehistoric gadgets, even appliances, vehicles, real estate properties, or even old coins. You can also sell groceries and other essential things. This is the best time to start an online buy and sell business. You can start posting your items on the marketplace on Facebook or set up an online seller profile on Lazada or Shopee through their mobile apps. Express delivery. For those who have cars or motorcycles, another way to earn money using your phone is to become an express delivery courier. You may need to go through some paperwork, but once you start going online, you can easily get delivery requests. Lalamove, Foodpanda, GrabFood, Mr. Speedy, Ninja Van are some of the express delivery services you can try. Prepaid loading business. Now that almost every phone requires internet data, a loading business is a great way to generate income. Your friends, colleagues, and neighbors don't need to go out to replenish their mobile data anymore. They can just contact you and pay you through your online wallet like GCash or PayMaya. I consider this as one of the easiest way to make your phone profitable. Start a YouTube channel. Nowadays, almost all phones are designed with great cameras and anyone can easily become a filmmaker. Using your smartphone, you can easily film interesting events, tutorials, and short films. You can almost film anything as long as your content is entertaining, informative, and family friendly. You can earn on YouTube through your channel's ad revenue. The more content you make, the more views. More views mean more subscribers, and more subscribers mean more ads on your videos. Mobile gaming. Earn money by competing in esports like Mobile Legends. Esports professionals earn serious money. You can also earn big through live streaming on Facebook or YouTube. Some YouTubers do so and claim that they earn higher on live streaming than their actual salaries. As early as now, discover your phone's capabilities so you can generate more income. Thank you for watching. Please take care. Bye!